Hey everyone, good morning. It's Sunday. Been having a busy week. Sorry it's been a while since I've uploaded. I'm just hanging out, watching some TikTok. Let's see. It's Stephanie Baird 1.
Now I ain't the toughest hickory that your axe is.
See if I can show you one of mine. It's Stephanie Baird 1 on TikTok. And then I have Instagram too. It's MacGirl021. Sorry, my hair's a mess. WWE. Something of my dad's in the background. I'm just sitting here, just relaxing. Let's see, what do I have planned today? Just watch a little church. Probably won't go work out today. I worked out yesterday and Friday. And then I go to do Aquafit tomorrow. And then watch WWE tomorrow night. So if you have any ideas for a video for me, just let me know.